Just look at this backyard, friends. This is immense, huge. Hi friends, and welcome back to the Alicante Real Estate YouTube channel. My name is Vadim, and on this channel you'll find the hottest offers and the best market prices in the Alicante region for properties. And today, friends, I'm located in San Miguel de Salinas. Behind me, we have views over the sea, over the Salt Lakes, and we have views over whole Torrevieja from the balcony from the property I'm presenting you today. It's a new built apartment with 2 bedrooms, 2 big terraces, directly at the Las Colinas Golf and Country golf course, where you can actually play golf, and within 15 to 20 minutes you're directly at the beach. The price for this apartment are just 375,000 euros, and it's this apartment which is gonna be sold or which we are gonna offer for today. Everything is included, all the furniture are included, everything what you see inside is included in the price. And very important, this is a perfect option to invest, to rent it out. Why? Because properties which are located statistically, because we have 250 properties to rent out, and I have statistics, I know where it's good to rent out, where not, so our company has good experience in it. And these kind of properties are the best statistically to rent out. Why? Because we are located directly at the golf course, so all the people who are playing golf in the winter time, like today or like now in December, they're renting close to the golf course. And in the summertime, you have all the people who are coming here for vacation, and it's going to be rented out anyways. This apartment or this community is offering you a beautiful pool directly there. Beautiful pool. You can use it within the community. Everything what you see here is new, so it's a new build complex. You have 2 terraces. Beautiful property. And now subscribe to the channel, and now let's start with the video tour. Follow me. Okay, so this is the terrace, and the terrace is pretty big, and of course the most special part is the views over the vineyards, the Salt Lakes, the sea. We have on the right side, we have a lot of green pine, like a small natural park. We have even some views to, I think, to the golf course. I'm not sure if it's the golf course there, but anyway, it's a beautiful, beautiful view out from this terrace. And it's pretty quiet, there are not many people here around, and those who are around are actually living here. You have one neighbor there, and you have one neighbor down below. So there are several apartments per block, and in general, yeah, it's pretty quiet, and the people here are all living or just coming for vacation in the summertime. Okay, so terrace, this is your entry. We have there a small like continuation of the terrace. You can also leave from the living area, and the property itself is spacious. Okay, so you will notice it's spacious. A lot of light is entering you. When you sit down here, from here, you have views over this natural park. You have here the living area with the television, where you can put a television. You can put a sofa maybe, which will be much bigger here on this side, and put a television there. So here we have the dining area. Important for me, friends, an entry, because I'm entering, I'm not directly at the kitchen. I have here a small entry, which is very important because most of the new builds, or many of them, they're not having any entry at the property. Bathroom, also spacious. It's not like a small bathroom, it's a nice, spacious bathroom with a window. The kitchen, friends, is big as well for a new build. I saw so many properties, I know what I'm talking about, but this is a big, spacious kitchen. You can cook here, you can cook here there, you have a lot of space. You can even take breakfast here at the bar, or use the dining area. So if you want, you can eat there or here. And the most special part about this property, or one of the special parts, is this backyard. You have views to the sea and the Salt Lakes. Just look at this backyard, friends. This is immense, huge. You can put a jacuzzi here, billiard, like a pool, table tennis. You can put here anything you actually want on this terrace, because it's offering so much space, and you have obviously a lot of privacy here in the backyard. I don't know, you can put anything here. I mean, this is like very important to have so much outside space, because in Spain, the most of the time we are sitting outside. So you can put a barbecue here, you have a shower there, you have water connection, you have electricity here. So this will be your area where you will be chilling. So imagine you put here all the amenities for your tenants if you would rent it, and they can go play golf, they can use the terrace here for play pool, or or table tennis or anything else what you have in your mind. Okay, let's check out the bedrooms, because the bedrooms aren't small neither, because they're also spacious. Look at the main bedroom. Like, I think it's like 13 to 15 square meters. We have here an ensuite bathroom. Come in. We have here the ensuite bathroom, shower, anything actually, anything you want. Built-in wardrobes. Again, exit to the terrace, to the backyard terrace. So you have a lot of space here in the main bedroom. And obviously we have here as well the second bedroom. This will be the smaller bedroom or the kids' bedroom. So this will be, another bedroom. We have conducted built-in air conditioning, which will be controlled by a panel control at the door. So everything is high standard here, high quality in this property. Yeah, and obviously the pool, you are like 20 meters away from the pool. And just for a second, let's go check out the pool. Okay, and that is the pool area where you can actually can enjoy the sun here, take some sun lounges here, and make some sunbathing. You have a big, nice pool. As you can see, we have a small children's pool there. So a lot of space here, and views over the sea, obviously, and some views over the salt lakes of Torrevieja. So everything is gated here, and a lot of sun is entering here. And if you want to reserve this property, and I'm promising you that we are having a gift for you when you reserve this property with us, because we want to gift you something for Christmas. So if you decide until the 1st of January, we'll have a nice big gift for you if you actually reserve this apartment with our agency within a very short time, so in like next month or something. So send me a message if you have questions. Down below you'll find my WhatsApp number. Subscribe to the channel, comment this video, and more important, just send me WhatsApp if you're really interested in this apartment, and I will be helping you and guiding you through everything to purchase this one, and afterwards helping you out to rent out. So if you want to park your money and invest your money here in Spain, then this is a good option to rent it out and to actually be invested and having your money inflation protected here in Spain. Okay, and that's it. Subscribe to the channel, and I see you soon, friends, in sunny Spain.